When I say no salad for erections, what I mean is NO, which is an abbreviation for nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a naturally occurring gas. In the body, nitric oxide acts as a dilator, a powerful neurotransmitter that relaxes and widens your blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and increases blood flow. That's why nitric oxide helps to produce longer, stronger erections. How is nitric oxide produced in the human body? L-arginine and L-citrulline are two amino acids that play vital roles in producing nitric oxide. To maximize our nitric oxide production, we should eat a plant-based diet rich in foods containing L-arginine and L-citrulline, such as arugula, cucumbers, and celery. Hi everyone, it's the Health Juggernaut, helping you to maximize your health naturally. Today, we're going to be making an NO salad, which stands for nitric oxide. All the foods we're going to use today are rich in L-arginine and L-citrulline, which helps to produce nitric oxide in the body, which increases blood flow, leading to longer, stronger, more powerful erections. So, men, don't believe what they tell you. Real men eat salad. You should have one of these every day. So let's get started. We're going to start with a big plate of lettuce. This is romaine lettuce. I had it left in the fridge. Throw some of that in there. Don't be afraid to make a giant salad, because you can literally eat salad all day and it not really fill you up. But I got a trick for that as well. That's coming up in a second. We're going to throw in a little bit of cabbage. Now, arugula is very high in citrulline. It's a great green that you should add to all your salads. This is a mix that I found at the store. You can get it in a mix or you can buy it by itself. Either way, definitely put in arugula. Now, also, spinach and kale. I got baby spinach here mixed with some baby kale. Throw some of that in. Both of those are great for increasing blood flow. Alright, so we got our base of greens down. I'm also going to throw in half of a large cucumber chopped up. Oh, that looks good. I should have used a whole cucumber. Also going to use 3 large stalks of celery. Celery's great. Man, if you just want to keep your erections going long and strong every day, just eat a bundle of celery every day. You can dip it in peanut butter, whatever you want. We're also going to throw in a nice healthy serving of raw chopped onions and 3 minced garlic cloves. Now yes, this salad is probably going to give you kicking breath, but it's worth it. Trust me. Now we're also going to throw in some tomatoes, some mushrooms, some green peppers, and some carrots. Just for fun. All vegetables are healthy all the time. Now, I'm going to get to the satiation part. I'm also going to throw in a can of chickpeas. Now a whole can of chickpeas is going to add 25 grams of protein. That's really going to fill you up. So you're going to get all the nutrients from the vegetables, plus the satiation, that satisfied feeling from the chickpeas. And the chickpeas are great with nitric oxide production. So throw those in. Now you can eat this just like this. It's ready to eat. I want to put a little dressing on it. And when you choose a dressing, you don't want to buy something from the store that has a lot of dairy or oil or soy. I don't like any of those. So you can look online and find dozens of recipes that you can make yourself at home. Today I'm going to make one myself. We're going to be putting in lemon juice of a whole lemon. Next, for the salad dressing, I'm going to sprinkle on some pepper. Pepper's healthy, tastes amazing, adds a lot of flavor. I'm also going to put in some cayenne, which is a spice that contains citrulline, good for blood flow. Plus it tastes amazing, adds an awesome dimension to your salads. Put some of that on there. I'm also going to put in a couple tablespoons of Bragg apple cider vinegar. Help us make like a homemade balsamic vinaigrette. Okay, just get 2 or 3 tablespoons of that sprinkled in. And lastly, some good old-fashioned yellow mustard. Get a few squirts of this on here. Stir it up, and it is ready to eat. Alright, there it is, guys. An erection salad. Have one every day and enjoy your erections. Health Juggernaut out.